Hello. A map or a legend is a graphic source. Authors use information and use these graphic sources to help readers gain information about the text as they read. In the book A Friend for Lakota, we read this earlier in the year. A Friend for Lakota. Well, there is a map at the end of the book. Okay? On the map, it talks about, let me figure this out. On the map, it has a cutout of the map. Here's the whole map. Here's the key that gives some information. On the map, it has this key. The map key lets the reader know what the pictures on the map might mean. This one doesn't really have much pictures, and there's not much on this key. It gives a mileage that if you wanted to figure out how long something was in mileage, you could do that. Well, the map legend, this one doesn't really have a legend, but some of them have a legend that tell more about the map, what the pictures mean, what's on it, so on. The legend lets us know where the bears live on this. So this here, this yellow, it's orange, area where the wolves live, not the bears, silly me, not the three bears, the wolves. The wolves live from Lakota, and this shows where Lakota lived, up in what is today Idaho on the map. I'll get it close to you so you can maybe see. I'm not very good at maneuvering this. Anyway, it's at the end of the book, the very end after the story's over. So this is a nonfiction book, A Friend for Lakota, that we read, and that shows a map. Well, other places, other books have maps, usually nonfictions. Maps help us understand what the text is about. You look at the map with the text, it helps you figure out where it's talking about, where places are located. A map, of course, is a place that shows. We all should know what a map is. Okay. Authors put maps and legends in books to help them understand the text better. So our chart tells us about the maps, and the map shows where different places can be. It can show where certain animals live, like in Lakota. It can help you understand the places in the book. The front, this is not a nonfiction book, but I got Magic Tree, no. The A to Z Mysteries, the very first page at the beginning always has a map of the town of Greenville, New Hampshire. It shows how far apart places are. Legends help you find where something is located on the map. So maps can be important to help you find locations, to help you get places, but in nonfiction books, they give you information about the book. So that map was where Lakota, the area they lived in. As you read your nonfiction books, pay attention to if your books have a map or not, or a legend. And as you read your book, you should pay attention to the graphic sources like maps, legends, and other graphic sources you've been learning about. It helps a good reader understand what they're reading to look at the graphic sources like a map or a legend. Today you're going to read Make a Map on ReadWorks. There's questions to answer. Look back in the story. Take your time. Good luck. Look at maps. When you find any nonfiction books with maps in them, you might want to show your teacher, hey, I found a map. Okay? If you know the Doris song for map, sing it in your head. Do some self-talk. Have a great day. Bye. Now to figure out how to turn this off. There you go. See ya.